This is what I made for breakfast. Home fries, cheesy eggs, bacon, and toast. What y'all having? Happy Saturday. Oh, let me get my coffee. Hold on. Okay, now breakfast is ready. Honey Bunch, food is ready. As soon as I turned the camera off, I made a whole mess. Spilled my coffee. But nevertheless, oh, is this mine? No, this is mine. Let me try it. I know Mama and they make home fries like this. So good. Thank you for stopping by as usual. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate the fun and the commentary because this is what we do where?
Over here.
Honey comes right on time. Thank you, Honey Bunch.
Right over here.
Have a great day. Yummy for my tummy.